Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. In today's video, let me guide you on how to contact TEMU customer. Firstly, open your TEMU app on your device and make sure you already logged in to your account. From this dashboard, click you on the bottom over here. Then on the top right corner, you will see the settings button over here. Click that. Then go to your payment methods over here. Scroll down and you will see customer support over here. Click on Payment FAQs. On this page, you will see help articles that might solve your problems on the app. If not, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Contact Us button. You will be taken to this chat messaging page with the support. Over here, just type your concerns and you can talk to them and ask for assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.